Good day, Dean and Ma'am Ali. I'm Rodelyn J. Manero, student nurse from Level 3, Section 2, and today I will be discussing the psychotherapy. So, brief lang siya. Then, prior to explain what is psychotherapy is to blindfold myself first. So, yung psychotherapy po, para lang siyang yung group therapy or yung family therapy, pero one-on-one siya. And then, meron po tayong levels of psychotherapy, the supportive, re-educative, and reconstructive. So, yung supportive, dito mo ibibigyan ng support system si patient mo. And then, i-introduce mo kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang malaman sa situation niya. And then yung re-educative, so involve mo yung learning capacity ni patient or dito mo i-introduce yung mga need pang i-improve or need malaman ni patient. And then yung reconstructive, dito niya gagawin or dito siya makakapag-formulate ng mga coping strategies niya or yung preferred coping mechanisms niya. And then, yung reconstructive na yun is mangyayari siya 2 to 6 years or 2 to 5 years. And then, yun. That's it for the psychotherapy. Thank you po.